Hey guys, it's me, Ara. So today I'm sharing with you a process video, a pocket letter process video. I hope you guys are not tired of pocket letters because I know I'm not. I love pocket letters. I think they are easy to make and pretty quick. So, yes, yes. I forgot what I was going to say, guys. Anywho, the paper pack that I'm using here is the Hello Love by Crepe Paper. The middle sheet of paper is actually called Bundle of Joy, and I want to say it's by October Afternoon. I don't remember, but that's who I think it is from. I didn't do much editing on this video, but it's for a reason. I wanted to show you the struggle of trying to decide what I'm going to put down on each bucket. So, this video is kind of long. To me, I say long because it's like 7 minutes long. So I hope that you guys enjoy it. If not, you can click on that drop down menu and click on speed 2 and just watch it super speed. Do you guys celebrate Valentine's Day? And if so, what do you have planned this year? Now this year, I'll tell you what I had a plan. I originally wanted to go to a local pizzeria that's it's new. It's been here for maybe a year, and they're like a fancy place of a fancy pizzeria, like expensive fancy. So I wanted to go there to try that out. But then I was like, you know what? Valentine's is not all about me. It's about the relationship. So I changed my mind. So what I'm gonna do for Valentine's Day is I'm gonna take my man out to this place that serves seafood. It's out there by the lake, so that he can have himself some fish. He's been craving fish for a while, so I'm gonna be nice, and I'm gonna take him there, and he's gonna enjoy that fish, while I just daydream over this pizza. I did take a look at the menu from that seafood place, and I did see something that caught my eye. So I'll probably be having either the shrimp plate or the lobster plate. I don't like lobster though. I had lobster one time, like maybe 10, 12 years ago from Red Lobster, and I thought it was nasty. But then again, I think maybe it was just because it was from Red Lobster. Red Lobster's not, it's not real. I do plan to stop by a local bakery after we have our little meal and get myself a cupcake. Cupcake and shrimp doesn't mix. I mean, I'm not eating it together. I'm gonna eat it like separate, and like I'm eating the cupcake after. But there's a local cupcake place that's really good. Not as good as the Magnolia cupcake place because that Magnolia, their cupcakes are delicious. If you guys are ever in Waco, you guys need to go to the Magnolia Silos and get yourself a cupcake. They're yummy and they're worth it. They're not that expensive either. They're $3.50 I think per cupcake. Now back to this pocket letter. Sorry about my rambling. I just wanted to do a little chit chat. I rarely do any chit chats with you guys other than my commentary on these videos where I'm telling you what I'm doing and stuff. So yeah, back to the pocket letter. So as you can see, that the pocket letter here is actually flat. It's flat for a reason. It's because this pocket letter was actually going international. It was gonna travel abroad, and I was trying to keep it as flat as possible so they wouldn't charge me an arm and a leg. Because if you make these pocket letters bulky, they charge you like $10 to $12 just to ship internationally, and I didn't want to pay that much for that, and then it get lost or something. So I try to keep it as flat as possible so that I would only have to pay like $3 or $4 as a letter, and it worked. And I filled it up with flat goodies as well. Most of the die cuts are actually cut using my Cameo. So, for instance, the lovely girl on the right, I am in love with her. I'm starting to use her on everything, and I need to cut out some more. So, anywho, I found her on Google, so that's Google Images, and that's cut out my Cameo. The Happy Valentine's Day phrase is also from my Cameo. I just typed it up and then I offset it and cut it out and print it. The little envelope, kawaii, totally cute. On the left side is actually from Google as well, and I cut it out with my Cameo. The heart balloon on the middle left pocket is for my Cameo. The heart in the middle, once again, Cameo. The top label is actually from a ephemera pack. I think it's from the Kiss Kiss collection or the Jelly Bean Soup. The lips, they kind of look like clown lips. Don't you agree? Or am I just thinking they look like clown lips? Maybe those are not the ones. I have some lips that I cut out and they look like clown lips. I don't know why. I thought they were cute when I first cut them out. All I'm doing here is just putting all the papers in the pockets so that I can determine what I'm going to put on the outside, because some of these pockets are not fully decorated yet because I plan on putting the little embellishments or die cuts on the outside, especially since they don't fit in the inside the sleeves themselves. Like for instance, the arrow with the cupid, it wouldn't have fit inside. So that's what I'm doing here. You can see here I have the little arrow and I'm just going to add some glue. And then put it on top of that heart, and then I'm going to add that little cupid on top of the arrow. I think the cupid already has an arrow. Yeah, he does. Oh well. Now for this pocket here, this is where I'm putting the handmade embellishment. I'm putting it on the outside for a reason, because she can easily just remove the handmade embellishment and use it for her personal crafts. That was the purpose. So it's a goodie on the pocket ladder. Yeah. And that is the completed pocket letter. A quick, flat, easy pocket letter. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. And also let me know if you enjoyed this chattier version of this process video. Until next time, guys. Bye.